Hey my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and once again I am in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a mint parsley chimichurri sauce. And this is a sauce that's going to be going with some lamb chops that I'm going to be preparing later on. It's a real simple recipe. There are a couple of twists to it. One of them was the addition of the mint, and I'll show you another little twist when we mix this up. Let's do this. For this recipe, I'm going to be mixing about a half a cup of olive oil. This is about 3 cloves of garlic, minced. I have a little less than a teaspoon of dry oregano and about a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and this little ingredient here in the corner is my secret ingredient. And it's not going to be so secret because I'm going to show you what it is. It's organic fennel powder. And I got turned on to this herb just recently. And since then I've been adding it to a lot of different preparations for meats and stuff. And it's actually quite tasty. It has a little bit of a licorice flavor to it, so you have to be very, very careful with the amounts that you put in. But I thought it would go very well with this chimichurri sauce. We'll see. I also have 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I have a little bit more than a half a cup of parsley that's been chopped up. I have some mint, and that's my mint, which I also chopped up, and that's about a half of a cup of mint. And we'll mix all these ingredients together in my mixer, and we'll have a nice little sauce. I'm first going to add the olive oil, the red wine vinegar, garlic, oregano, and the red chili flakes. And those chili flakes are to taste. If you don't like it hot and don't like anything spicy, back off. If you want a little bit more heat, add a little bit more. It's up to you. Here I have my salt, pepper, and my fennel pollen. I'm going to blend these ingredients. Just a real quick blend to get them going. Then I'm going to add my parsley and my mint. And we'll blend those all up. What you'll find, you'll have to go in and sort of push stuff down in the bowl. It may be a little thick. If you don't want it this thick, add a little bit more olive oil to it. But I think this is going to be the right consistency for me. See, it doesn't take very long. And we've got our mint parsley chimichurri sauce. You also want to taste it to make sure that it has enough salt for you, and pepper, and heat. If you want to put more rich pepper flakes in there, you can do that also. I'm just going to I think it's good as is. Here we have it, mint parsley chimichurri sauce, which could be used with all sorts of meat. Doesn't have to be lamb, could be beef, could be chicken. You can also put it as a dip for other type of things that you may want to eat, just for a real nice little treat. mint chimichurri sauce.